Welcome back to my channel, guys, and before I get right into this wig review, I would like to give a shout out to Mix Easy and Duvolle. Duvolle has this amazing facial brush that I used here on my skin and I really love it. Mix Easy is a skincare brand that allows you to formulate your own natural skincare products. I formulated my skincare products for my sensitive dry skin, and you also get to name your products. Here I name mine Coco. For Mix Easy, use code Jaquana for 15% off your purchase and use code ButterCurls70 for 70% off of your Duvolle facial brush. And let's get right into this wig review. Welcome back to my channel, guys, and today I'm going to be doing a video that I haven't done in a while actually, and today I'm going to be doing a wig review, but not just any wig, a headband wig. Alright guys, so stick around and stay tuned so you guys can see what this wig looks like on me, and you can watch me struggle trying to put this thing on. Alright guys, so see you in the next clip. Alright. Ow, it hurts. Oh my god, it's stuck in my earring. Cut. Alright guys, so this wig that I have here is from Jaquana. It is a kinky curly headband wig and it is synthetic as well in the color 1B, and it's supposed to be very natural looking. It says here that it's 8 inches, but I think it's just talking about in the curly state. I say that because it definitely stretches down longer than just 8 inches. Okay, so it comes in this little drawstring bag. I think that's really super cute. And then on the inside, it does come with a headband, but I am not wearing this headband, y'all. I don't want this. This is what the headband looks like that it comes with. I am not a huge fan of it, so I won't be wearing it, but yeah, if you want, yeah, I'm gonna wear this one instead. It also comes with a wig cap as well. And I'm gonna show you guys something real ghetto that I've been doing. I've been leaving my bonnet on and just putting the wig cap over the bonnet, and yeah, and you guys probably wouldn't even tell. With curlier wigs, I can do this, I can pull this off because you can't really tell. With straight wigs though, I think it gives it away. It makes it a bit humpty.
You giving us Humpty Dumpty again.
This is what the wig looks like here. I haven't done much of anything to it. So as you can see, it's really super curly. The curls are very springy, and I can already tell you guys, I am not a huge fan of this wig because it's very frizzy already. I would like to have the option to decide how frizzy I want my wig to be, so I want to do all the separating. To be honest with you, it tells me that it may not last long. It's really frizzy. I don't know if you guys could see that. Yeah, like it's super frizzy to the point it's making that web like netted look, and I'm not a huge fan of that. And this is what the headband part looks like, and you would put a headband over it. It has the strap on the headband, and it also has an adjustable strap in there. That's what the cap looks like, and it just has one comb in the front. Okay, so let me put it on. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so far the wig cap is already tight. It is kind of difficult to put this on my hair. I mean, on my head. That was actually really tight to put on, y'all. Oh my gosh. I didn't even put the adjustable on, and I'm not going to. Yeah, I like this and I don't like it. I really do like how full it is. Don't get me wrong, I really do appreciate that. I think I might have to cut it or something to tone the curls down a little bit. And this is why I said that I wish it wasn't this frizzy, because I would like to be in charge of how much frizz I have, and I don't want to make it any frizzier than it already is. I'm gonna put the headband on now. Yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, I think the headband definitely makes it look a lot better. This wig though, it has a lot going on. It is very fluffy. It is very synthetic feeling, definitely not 8 inches, and I'm gonna show you. Okay, that goes down to my boob, so It's just 8 inches in the curly state. You don't have to pick this out or anything. I guess that's good. Honestly, I wasn't feeling this wig, but once I put the headband on, it did make it look a lot better. So far, honestly, I don't hate this wig, but I definitely needed that headband. But this isn't bad. This is very full. This whole like parting situation, I wonder, could I do like a side part or something? I literally don't want to part it because I don't want to risk making it even more frizzier than it already is. It is super frizzy. I'm not a middle part person, but I'm gonna be a middle part person today. I pushed the wig back just a little bit and adjusted the headband and then played around with my edges a little bit, and I would have to say I like this. At first it was a definite no, but I really do like this wig and I can see myself wearing it for sure. So this, I like it, okay? I do like the curls on it. They are very springy. I like the color of it. Honestly, I wish my hair was this dark sometimes, but it isn't, but it's okay. I'm definitely going to have to layer it or something because the shape, I just feel like it just needs to be touched up a little bit. This is the type of wig that you want to keep your hands out of as much as possible if you don't want a whole lot of frizz or to even mess up the curls, because like I said, this hair feels very, very synthetic. These curls are springy, but you separate one or you stretch one out, you kind of make it more frizzy. Other than that, pretty cool wig. And just to give you guys a few details about the wig, the actual headband part of it said it's made of high quality, not this headband, underneath, it's made of high quality elastic ice silk, very comfortable and breathable. And then the net is made out of elastic. The velcro that is attached to the headband is high quality velcro. All right, so really nice wig. I would not say natural looking. I know it did say that. I won't say it's that natural looking up close and personal. It looks really nice on camera, I will say, but it's about 50-50 on the natural looking for me, okay? For me. In person, I do my natural hair all the time. I know what natural hair looks like, and this is 50-50. I think what gives away the synthetic is the shine on it, the frizz. It doesn't look like natural frizz. It looks like, I don't even know what to call this, frizz. I would wear this wig though. It's also a great protective style, and I really do like curly wigs, synthetic or real, because it can look like my hair or look like natural hair. And curls, with curls, it's so easy to disguise things. See, like this one just does not curl really anymore, and it's just super frizzy, but because it's curly hair, you can disguise it. All I gotta do is tuck that in and you'll never see it. So it's a plus. I like this wig. It's pretty cool. I definitely see myself wearing it. Alright guys, so I would really like to say thank you to Jaquana Hair. Thank you so much for sending me this unit. I really do like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this headband wig review. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.